Hey there! Want to get free Amazon gift cards without surveys, hidden fees, or complicated steps? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you an easy and legit way to earn Amazon gift cards in just a few minutes. No tricks, no waiting, just real rewards. Stick around because I'll walk you through the process step by step. And yes, I'll also show you proof that this actually works. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to fundszap.com. This site offers real digital gift cards and rewards. It's completely safe, works worldwide, and I've personally tested it multiple times. Search for Amazon gift cards. Once you're on the site, type Amazon in the search bar. Right now, I see $50 and $100 Amazon gift cards available. These can sell out fast, so don't wait too long if you see them in stock. Complete 2 simple tasks. To unlock your gift card, you just need to complete 2 easy tasks. These could be downloading an app and opening it for a few seconds, signing up for a free trial of a trusted service, watching a short video. Everything is safe and comes from official sources like the App Store and Google Play. Get your gift card code. Once you complete the tasks, go back to FundZap and click on Show Gift Card Code. Just like that, your Amazon gift card code will appear. No waiting, no hassle, just free money to spend on Amazon. Redeem your gift card. Now go to your Amazon account, click on Redeem a Gift Card, enter the code, and boom, your balance updates instantly. Why this method works best. Here's why this is better than other so-called free gift card methods. No surveys, no wasting time answering long, boring questions. No hidden fees, no credit card required, and no payments. Fast payouts. Get your gift card instantly, no waiting for weeks. Works worldwide. Most people can access this method no matter where they are. So instead of struggling with unreliable apps or shady websites, use a method that actually works. And that's it! In just a few minutes, you can earn real Amazon gift cards without spending a dime. If this video helped you, leave a comment and let me know if you've tried this method. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy money-saving tips and legit ways to earn online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy earning!